I think I just found my favorite set of brushes. They definitely winning the award this year. Excited anytime I have a new package, so let me let you guys be clear on this.
I'm not on any PR list, but I buy my own makeup stuff.
I got this package from Colorbox at a really good deal, and I like to review. I already have a few of their products. I don't know if you remember, but I recently had a client on my channel, and the Melanin glow I used on hair, the highlight pigments I used on hair was from Colorbox, and that was so pretty. So I'm definitely going to leave a link up here so you guys could watch that. But wait, let's finish with this video. I'll leave the link in the description as well so you can watch it. So yeah, I'm going to be unveiling all the stuffs in it and their various uses and all that, so you guys get to know how they work and how good they are, or how, like, my personal review on it. So yeah, by the way, my name is Sesi Quashie. I'm a makeup artist and a hairstylist and a wig maker here in Ghana. So if you need my services, why not give me a call, contact me. Like, yeah, I'm on Instagram as well as bhcosmetics. So yeah, do contact me and let's get things going together. Yeah, because we need to slay, we need to we need to look good. So yeah, let's get into today's video. So I just opened the bag and look at what I got. I made sure I purchased a stand because where else am I going to keep my brushes? Like, I need to keep my brushes in a cute stuff. So here it is. And the final review, guys. So this is the Colorbox brushes set, and I really like the packaging. Like, I really like this packaging. I feel this packaging is chic. It's so beautiful. And let me open it up real quick. I took out the seal, and yep, this is how it looks. It's the CB signature face and eye brush set. It's a whole mouthful. So I got 14 brushes and 4 accessories, all from Colorbox Cosmetics, and these are the brushes I have. I'll definitely leave that here on my screen so you guys can see it. So these are the accessories, 4 accessories. I got disposables actually. Yeah, so disposable mascaras, 3 of them, disposable lippies, and brush guards. That's so cool. I really like brush guards. I recently purchased a few brush cards and I like it. And oh, I got a cute mirror from the Colorbox set. So these are the brushes. They come in this nice bag. Wow. In brushes. So these are eye brushes, and yeah, these are all eye brushes. This is a fluffy brush. This is actually going to be good for like highlight and all that stuff. I'm definitely going to show you how I use some of these brushes, if not all, today. Here they are. Like I said, I already have a few of their brushes, but these is new, like has new packaging and all that, and I think that's so cool. And it has the numbers on it. It actually has the numbers on it, but holding it, I really do feel it's soft. Like, I won't lie to you, it's really soft. I like the way it feels, but I just want to let you guys know how it feels also on the face. So I'm going to apply my foundation now, and this is a flat foundation brush. So I'm going to be using this flat foundation brush, and this is actually CB1. So yeah, my very first brush to use, because I like to apply my foundation first. So yeah. It's actually a really good stippling brush, like, and it's evened out everything. This is actually the concealer brush. It's a dual concealer brush. It has 2 ends to it. But I actually feel this brush right here, this is CB7. This is a large eyeshadow brush. I actually feel this brush will be much ideal to do the concealer work and get into smaller areas. That's what I think. So that's the brush I'm going to use to do my concealer work. Yep, so like I said, this brush I feel does the work a whole lot better. I'm going to go in with the larger brush to kind of blend everything together. And now to make sure everything is well blended, I'm going to go back in with the foundation brush to blend everything, especially the outer areas together. So I'm using the other end of the dual concealer brush to actually set the concealed areas. I'm going in with the CB16. This is a pro brush, so this is among the new brushes they have, and I'm using that to contour and fix the remaining parts of my face. You guys know how much I like a really nice bronzed look, so yeah. I feel this brush is actually ideal and the best brush since I'm more of like bronzy person. I feel this brush is so ideal. I'm going in to use this CB3. Going in to use CB3 for like kind of total blending to some extent. So this is the first blending I do before I finally blend all of my face. And I'm using the Black Secret Invisible Powder. I feel using an invisible powder for this step won't disturb the other colors on your face, because you know you kind of have to do the contour and all that stuff. So if you use a normal like mineral pressed powder, it probably would affect how the final results look. But using this as invisible pressed powder also really helps. I'm going to be using the CB10 brush. This is a dual brush, but I'm just going to be using the flat concealer side to clean underneath the brow. And then I use the angle side for the darker or the same, like that's my foundation shade. The brushes. So this is CB9. This is where you are. This is a fluffy eyeshadow brush, and this is CB11. This is a small fluffy brush. This is actually going to be good for the like outer corners and to create that kind of darkness in the crease area. And this is CB8. This is just a crease blending brush. So yeah. I'm taking this very shade right here with a small like crease brush. I've actually almost always wanted a tiny brush like this, and today I found it. And I go in with a large fluffy brush, the crease brush, and then I'm going in with this shade right here. And then I'm finally going to go in with I don't know if I should take this or this, but let's see, any of these two should be cool for my eyelid. So I'm using this brush. This is CB9. I'm using this for my eyelid. This is the CB17. This is another pro brush. I think I just found my favorite set of brushes. They definitely winning the award this year. So I really do like the way the look turned out. To be very honest with you, the brushes are soft as they claim they are. I didn't have a problem with any of the brushes. I just feel like I always say, yeah, sometimes there are actual purposes for certain brushes, but we tend not to use those brushes for those reasons. So but aside that, I really did like the way the look turned out. I'll definitely leave everything I used in the description below, and also yeah, everything looks soft and beautiful. The brushes are so nice. I'm so glad I made this purchase. So I'll definitely leave a link to their website and everything, their Instagram, everything, so you could get a purchase for yours as well. They do have other brush sets. They do have other brush sets if you just want the eye brush set or you just want the face brushes, and they also sell the brushes individually. So if you're not looking forward to buying the whole set, that's okay. They do have other stuff like beauty blenders and all that. Yeah, I love the look. If you also did like this look, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, subscription is free. I always say, but subscription is free. Oh yeah, this look came out pretty nice. I liked it, and yeah, I'll see you pretty soon. I have a next video coming up real soon, and you don't want to miss that one. You honestly don't want to miss it. So please stay tuned to my channel, and